What actually makes that cracking sound when you get adjusted by a chiropractor? Don't worry, it's not bones hitting each other. It's actually gas. No, not like gasoline from your car. Let me explain. The human body is an amazing design. Bones that meet are called joints, and these contain synovial fluid. This fluid acts like a lubricant and contains several gases: oxygen, carbon dioxide, and mostly nitrogen. There's a joint capsule that holds all this protective fluid and gas. Then, when a chiropractor adjusts your spine, or when you pop your knuckles, this stretches the joint capsule and the nitrogen gas bursts, causing that loud popping and cracking sound. Now you know.